Misumi is a global manufacturing and distribution company headquartered out of Japan. We've been around for 60 years.
Misumi is a manufacturer and a distributor of configurable components
made-to-order components online
sold in the factory automation industry.
We have an unbelievable variety of parts.
We can make it any size, any spec, any length, any color.
Customers like Tesla, Panasonic, Denso, Aisin, Hitachi, large companies that come to us. We make sure that they can get the highest quality, lowest cost, in the quickest time.
We work really well with both the engineer who's experienced in what they're doing, to the marketing and purchasing professional, all the way down to Joe working in his garage on a project.
When I first started at Misumi, I met with our president, and he asked me to take the first few months to take a look at our operations and our processes and look for opportunities to improvement. And so I did that. I appreciate the fact that I was given that autonomy to do that and to make that change. We saw our business grow, I believe, as a result of that. And with that came additional opportunities for me to grow within the organization.
I actually started off as an application engineer, and a position opened up in the marketing department for kind of an engineer, subject matter expert. And I got the job, and I've been in the marketing team for about 3 years.
When I got hired on, I was actually for a customer service trainer. Worked with the team here for about 2.5 years, developed them, put a lot of programs and policies in place, and then was given the opportunity to take it on at an organizational level.
Rather than being a generalist, I've had the opportunity to become more of a specialist in the things that are really interesting to me.
I've been given a lot of opportunities, pretty much anything that I want to try or test out. I get to challenge myself in creative ways, and that's kind of been the beauty of working here.
So Misumi has really helped me move to where I want to be, and hopefully want to keep helping me so I can get to where I want to be in the future as well.
I found Misumi to be very surprising in that it's so personal. I came from a Fortune 100 company, and anytime you talk to somebody on the phone, you had to start with your employee ID number, which is sort of impersonal, right? So when I came here and they told me, you don't have an employee ID number, it's just you, right? It's your name, it's your face, we know you as a person. It was really refreshing.
What has surprised me the most is the people. Everyone is just so generous and really caring.
What really surprised me was just how all-encompassing the diversity was and how positive it's been, not only for me personally in my career growth, but also my team.
I did not think I would develop these really close relationships with the people that I work with. They're essentially my family. Something else that surprised me at Misumi was how they support me in our growth. I actually won Employee of the Year in 2018, so that was a wonderful opportunity.
I was awarded Employee of the Year in 2018. It was a super humbling experience, and it just goes to show that your hard work here doesn't go unnoticed.
I remember the first time I saw that award being given, and in my head I was like, I don't think I'll ever get there, but Misumi gave me the support to get to that level.
The people here are just a lot of fun. I mean, we work hard, but I guess we also play hard.
There's plenty of ways to get involved.
There are plenty of spirit days, plaid, teams, sports,
Payday donuts,
5Ks,
charitable things,
Holiday party,
rec softball team,
Surprise birthdays on the team.
the professional softball team.
I had never played softball ever in my life, and it's been really fun to get out there and get athletic sometimes.
There's always something creative. We did a blood drive, we did a top golf event.
I was in the same team as one of the vice presidents, someone in customer service, someone in HR, and the president himself. These are usually some people that I would not talk to all the time. So I got to know them better and, have fun with them at the same time.
Those are really important things to help create a culture here that really kind of tie everybody together.
What makes a Misumi employee great is just that ability to be open-minded and really allow yourself to think differently about traditional ways of doing things.
And you will be challenged in a lot of different ways, mentally, maybe even socially.
And that's a good thing. You need to be challenged professionally and personally. So when they come here, focus on that continuous improvement mindset. So making our business better, as well as making themselves better through learning, working on different team projects, all those things that really speak to what people want, which is purpose in their work.
We have a culture of empowerment where we try to treat our business and our area of authority like our own business. And so if they've got a passion and a drive to succeed, pretty much everything else we can train and develop and coach and mentor to get them up to speed.
I look for people who are committed, people who work really hard, people who have great initiative. It kind of helps drive the culture, not just the individual, but it becomes part of the fabric of the company. And I think when you look around our company, you see a lot of people who are like that.
A lot of good people. Like in the 7 years, I can't say that I haven't worked with like a really caring people. I think that's the essence of Misumi, and that's another reason why I've been working here for so long. Yeah.